No matter what program you're using to disperse this assignment to your students, you'll want to make sure that they're creating a copy of the assignment so that they can manipulate all of the icons and add their answers without actually changing anything on the original document. So I'm going to show you how to do that on Google Classroom. I've just set up basically a practice account where I can try these things out. So I'm going to hit Create Assignment and add the title, Middle School Interactive Notebook, due whenever. And then down here, I'm going to add the link. And click Add Link. And this is the important part, which is way over here where it says Students can view file. Click that arrow, and you want to say Make a copy for each student. And then add whatever you want, of course, and click Assign.